Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And one of the improvements coming this year, or Microsoft says it hopes to have it for 26H2, but it might actually happen only just early 2027, is something that is probably one of the most annoying things that you have to live with when you look at device drivers. How many of you have installed a device driver from a manufacturer, making your driver the latest on, for example, graphics GPUs? Happens often. And what happens is that the manufacturer has a newer driver, you install it, and Windows Update decides, no, let's downgrade this to an older driver. And this has annoyed a lot of people over the years. Microsoft says that by the end of the year, the way that the hardware identification on the computer hardware will be done for drivers will be simplified, and that it should actually improve and make this a thing of the past. So they know that it's happening. They know that sometimes because of the way the system works in identifying the hardware, it tries to push something that could be an older driver that sometimes is not the best one. So they're hoping to have this done by 26H2 later this year. And that would improve, and it would improve upon every type of driver, not just that driver, because you could have that same problem happening with, Wi-Fi drivers, with Bluetooth drivers, and whatever drivers on your PC, and that, of course, becomes an annoying thing. So this is definitely something that will be improved upon, and it's hopefully going to work well. And by early next year, we will probably, hopefully, have better drivers. And Microsoft, Windows Update will stop messing with our drivers, trying to, push it back an older driver on your system. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.